So, are you the realtor that has the land for sale?
Yes, I am.
All right, we're gonna let y'all buy it. All right, we on the east side, baby. All right, we in Bartow, baby. Keep the train moving, baby. Let's roll. Let's get this train moving. All right, today we have a nice listing over here with my lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina. And the dimensions are from that pole there, 99 feet, to that pole right there, equals 99 feet. And it's 160 feet deep. So if you want to know more about that, give Sabrina a call at 863-205-1307. Hey, Sabrina, tell them real quick what you got listing here.
I have two double lots here off of MLK and Virginia Avenue.
Okay. As you can see, we got it listed right there. Give us a call if you're interested. It's zoned for multifamily. It's 99 feet by 160. That's a double lot. And it's zoned for multifamily. It's 99 feet. That's 33 yards, folks. That's a lot of land. And it's 160 feet deep. It goes back 160 feet. If you know anything about lots, you know that's a double lot. Almost could say it's a triple lot. All right? Today, I'll give y'all an update of what we're doing over here at Radford Homes. Hey, we got vacant land available too. So if you need vacant land large enough for multifamily, give me a call, 863-205-1307 or 931-241-9714. Let's go. Let's take a look at what my guy did this week. It's been a great, prosperous week for us. Felix, how you doing?
Good.
Man, I see you got a lot going on right here. What you got here?
Well, just wrapping up today. Did some wrapper on the doors. That way when the stucco goes on, no water gets past it. Sealed it on the bottom. I think this is the third time I seal the bottom of the wall. It's a plywood wall, so I like to seal it real good so no water gets in there. Did the laundry room door.
What's that gray stuff up there?
This is it's like a peel and stick. It seals it right with the door. Then I'll go around and caulk this. That way when they stuck away, any water, like if you're hosing the house down, no water gets in between the stucco and the door. This keeps this from rotting out. It also helps to keep insects out. The laundry room, do the same thing, wrap it on this side. And it's a little bit more there than 3 inches. Then you can wrap it. This we can just caulk it and it's fine. Nice and sealed so no water or insects gonna get in there. Okay, trying to rot away. There's an opening here. When I framed this out, I left this opening here because we're putting in beams. So the beam is gonna slide into that pocket.
Okay, so your beam is gonna slide into this pocket here?
Yep.
Okay.
Gonna slide into that pocket. It's gonna cover us on a 6x6 here.
Why? Because you're gonna do a screened-in porch out here.
Screened-in porch, and then we'll have another beam from here to the other column, from here back to the house. That way, this often gets screened in. You can leave your French doors open and get a nice breeze in the winter.
All right, so you got a French door here, huh?
Yep.
You got blinds in the inside.
Yep, built-in beam blinds. They don't get dirty. No, if you hit them, the pets won't scratch them up and break them. You can open them up.
Oh, that's nice.
Down. We'll just angle it a little bit so you can see through it. We're closing all the way. We took out the old jam. We're gonna further this out. We're gonna get a new 36-inch door going in here to the master.
So new door going here into the one of this is a dual master bedroom house, meaning we have 2 master bedrooms. But check this out, y'all.
This is the frame for the pocket doors that we're gonna install on Monday. The door will slide from here into here. This will get sheetrock on both sides so you won't see it, so it'll hide right in there.
Y'all see that? That's a pocket door, meaning when you go into the bathroom, instead of the door opening up to the inside or to the outside to take up space, it does not take up any space because it's inside the wood. It's in a pocket. So it's in the wall. Clever, right? My main man Felix hooked me up with that.
Cleaning this up today, removed all the tack strip of the old rug. This is all getting luxury vinyl plank flooring. Got 4 new windows in here.
Oh, you got new windows. All right. Brand new windows, up to code. Got them all hooked up. What about these high cathedral ceilings you got in here?
Yeah, well the ceiling used to be about 7 feet. We took everything out and opened it up to the new trusses that were installed about in 91.
The kitchen.
Yeah, this would just get sheetrock all the way around. No door going into the family room. This will be the kitchen.
All right, so you're entering into the kitchen right now. As you can see right there, that's where your sink is going to be. And we got all brand new Uponor PEX plumbing. It's been ran throughout the entire house. All right.
New AC, no electrical.
New AC, new electrical. Man, look like you got some new windows over here in this open the concept area here.
Yep. There were 4 there on that wall. We took 2 out. That way they can install a TV, hang it on the wall right there.
What about that beam above your head? What is that?
We took out a block wall, so we have to put this beam up to support the roof above. So it was all drawn up, engineered, threw it up. Nice column holding it up on one side, and it sits on the block wall on the other.
All right, so that's what you call a laminated veneer lumber. That's how we took down a block wall. I don't know if you know the extent of what we did here, but there was a block wall. This was the exterior of the house right here. Right here was the exterior of the house. We took it down and made an open concept for 2021. Hell of a job, folks. You might not know what it takes to do that, but it's very extensive. That's not a little boy operation right there. And I got to give all the credit to my main man, Felix, because I don't know nothing about that. So I'm bragging on my top guy, Felix. Got the front door in here, looking beautiful. All new windows. All right, real estate, you're nothing without a team, folks. Shout out to all the electricians, the general contractor that's working on here, T. Gregory, my main man Felix, my main man Mooney always coming by, John the plumber, everybody. All right, folks, well, we got to get out of here. Tell them bye, Felix. Time to go. We out, baby. Call me direct. Don't hear more about this flipping? March 13th, I'll be teaching you exactly how I do this. You should attend this academy. Give me a text and say, Greg, I want to be there. I want to learn. I ain't charging you a penny. Ready to take this plaster down. That way we can put nice drywall up there, just like this. So it's gonna look like this. All right, you riding with Greg? Check it out.